Just one or two clarifications that were emerging from the demo. The first is that since so much is being provided in terms of a free facility, if you really would like to use the equipment, it might be worth your while to make an additional investment in the kind of a cell phone or technology that would be essential. For instance, Dr. Saab sitting here next to me showed me a phone that was issued to him by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences as an official sort of instrument. Now, maybe that might not have the capacity to respond to this technology. So, I mean, just like we make investments in other things in life, it might be worth your while to invest in that basic Nokia model, which can make the application work. The second point, which I think the question that kept emerging is that how accurate and how pinpoint it is. I think we should not make the mistake of assuming that this button, and that's the third point, but the second point is about the accuracy of the technology. I think as long as you know the child or the person concerned is being harassed somewhere in general area of North Campus, and there is an audio that follows to say that it's X or Y college, I think that is good enough. Consider the fact that you did not have access to this technology and you were in the dark for hours or maybe days before something like this came to light. Here you are actually getting more or less close to the general area within seconds. So I think we've already moved a generation ahead in terms of warning systems. And the third is the point about the button. Let's not mistake this button to be the red button for nuclear weapons. I mean, at the end of the day, so what if it gets pressed and by mistake, as Mr. Dhol brought out, that the person did not lock his or her phone and therefore the alarm went off. By and large, it's going to go to one or two of the control centers, but mostly to your loved ones. And if the loved ones do call you back and say, "Okay, are you alive?" and all is well, I think it doesn't do you harm once in a while to say, "Okay, all is rocking."